Students of Mboya University are seeking answers from their college's administration and management over the fate of the courses offered after it emerged that they were the hardest hit by the scandal of unapproved courses.
The college has been listed as offering a record 25 degree courses that have not been approved by the Commission of University Education. A report by the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service says the college is amongst 26 universities teaching non-approved courses.
In light of the revelations, the Commission for University Education had scheduled a press conference to respond to the claims but called it off at the last minute, with promises of authoritatively addressing the concerns on Wednesday.
It is estimated that close to 10,000 students at the 26 universities could be affected by this situation.
And it should be taken lightly. This issue affecting my parent, affecting my brother, or paying my fee, everybody is being affected.
We need this issue to be addressed. We can't be addressed by deans, the registrar. We need the VC of Mboya University.
And as far as I'm concerned, and this is an information that is in the public domain, that we currently have only 14 programs that are on offer. These programs are Mboya University programs that are approved and accredited by Commission for University Education.
I'll be formally engaging you. And since I have apologized, I would like you to understand that we are not ready yet as a commission to address these matters the way they are trending in the press right now.